excelled B. Tamalia with honors with an average of 94.13%. Is given to herself. My request, Kagawad Marine Corpus to assist the parent. Mathematics is also given to her. My request are GPTA Business Manager, Mrs. Leonora Benabese, to assist the parent. In PLE is given to herself. My requests are GPPA Auditor, Mrs. Benjamin Gawin, to assist the parent. A gold medal is also awarded to Rizal for being the third placer in Division School Press Conference Column Writing English category. My request her coach, Mr. Rafael P. Tabangkura, to assist the parent. Ito ang coach. Is awarded to herself, being the regional qualifier. The requests are First Division Representative, Sir Andrew Taaka, to assist the parent. Another gold medal is awarded to herself for being the editor-in-chief of the OASIS, the official public school paper of Maburao Integrated Learning School for the school year 2022-2023. My request are school head, Mrs. Rowena Pisa Tomas, to assist the parent.